Make money flipping houses.
Hi, my name is Brad Zitzner, and I'm a real estate investor from Springfield, Ohio. And I focus on wholesaling properties. In the last 2 years, I've been able to wholesale just under 100 properties. And one of the questions I am often asked is whether or not we wholesale Fannie Mae properties. And typically the answer is no. Fannie Mae requires 90-day seasoning before we can sell the property to another buyer, even if it's another investor. And so typically we can't wholesale those properties until the 90th day. So the only way we would buy a Fannie Mae property with the intention of wholesaling would be if we really knew we had a solid buyer lined up and if there was a pretty big margin on it, because most of the wholesales that we do are within just 1 or 2 days after we close on it. One way that you can try and wholesale them before 90 days is try and negotiate that clause out of the addendums. And the only way to do that is to negotiate that out of the addendum prior to signing off on it. Now, I've tried to do that a number of times and only had success doing it one time. So it's not something they'll typically do, but if you have a asset manager who really wants to move the property, it's something you can try. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I wanted to let you know that I actually have 17 other videos just like that available for you. And I made them available temporarily for free. And the place you can get that is bradsfreeoffer.info. Again, you go to Brads, B-R-A-D-S, freeoffer.info.